Daryl Brugink with Strip-Till Farmer here, and we're at the National Strip-Tillage Conference, the 4th annual one, just outside of Omaha, and having a good event. And really pleased to have Kuhn Krause as one of our title sponsors again. They've been with us since the beginning, and I'm joined right now by Peter Gooch. He's the Senior Product Manager at Kuhn Krause. And Peter, thanks for being here.
No worries. Thank you for having us.
Let's talk a little bit about what are you seeing that growers are looking for when it comes to building a strip?
One of the main things that we're seeing as we talk to guys is that they really want they don't just want a little bit of soil disturbed. They want a seed bed. They want something they can hit with their planter that's going to be loosened to depth and that's going to have some good fertilizer placement down there and really give that true micro environment to promote the growth of a good crop.
Right. And how is that? You know, when it comes to designing your machine, what are some of the things that you've done that are helping you hit that mark, I guess? So,
one of the big things for us is the fact that the Kuhn Krause Gladiator row unit is so easy to adjust. You can adjust the depth of the berm builders and the angle of the berm builder blades without any wrenches. So it's real easy to be able to set some rows slightly differently from one another, run a few feet up the field, have a look at your strip, and really customize and tweak those row units to get exactly the result that you're after. And then, of course, you can set all your row units the same in a few minutes and get on and go. If conditions change through the day and you see that your berm starts to take a slightly different form, you can get out and you can adjust, again, just within minutes. And whenever you have a machine which you can adjust easily and quickly, it's much more likely that an operator is going to adjust it correctly. So that's, for us, that's really a big thing.
Yeah, well, we're getting more and more experience and time with strip-till, and we're seeing it, slowly growing, I think, amongst growers. But what are some of what you would call the main advancements that you're seeing today in strip-till?
On the fertilizer placement side, people looking for far more precision over fertilizer application. The twin bin system that we offer with Montag is been a huge thing for us. Guys can now blend two different types of fertilizer at custom rates. They can use their prescriptions to decide what they apply where and when in the field. They can section control. It's all tied in through Isobus. They can use their tractor interface, Isobus interface, to control it. And when we're talking with people about new technology, that's where they're looking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of, if we want to call it technology, but advancements, cover cropping has been big, and we got people talking about it all the time. And there may be a perception in strip-till that cover cropping is kind of difficult, but there's people marrying it, with strip-till.
Very much so.
Yeah. What have you guys been seeing as far as working with cover crops and strip-till at the same time?
We've seen, so firstly, we've just seen cover crop developing generally over the last 5 to 7 years through the vertical till side. And now, I'm going to say in the last 2 years, I've had more and more questions about cover crops with strip till, and it's led one from the other. A lot of people looking to try and get a cover crop down after harvest, and then come back and spray that off and then strip into it in the spring. Something I've heard a lot about during this conference that I didn't hear last year was people trying to just get their cover crop down in that area between the strips. And that starts to become very interesting, because now we're talking about using that let's say dead ground between the strips, and putting it to some use, but not soaking up the nutrient that you've put down in your strip. That's definitely an area of interest, something that's growing, and something we're going to be keeping a very close eye on.
Well, that's good. It'll always be fun and always be interesting, won't it? So,
yeah, it will.
Yeah, well, thank you. This is Peter Gooch. Peter is with, again, Kuhn Krause, and thanks again for being here at the National Strip-Tillage Conference, and I'm Daryl Brugink, and signing off for now. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.